You need to watch this if you thought your investments were bulletproof. This year, the housing market did a backflip no one saw coming. And Airbnb? They took the brunt of it. In 2024, as the housing market trembled, Airbnb felt the ground shake harder than most. What once was the darling of the gig economy is now grappling with a double whammy of rising property costs and plummeting rental demand. Why? Well, skyrocketing mortgage rates and tighter lending practices mean fewer people can buy homes. Those who once rented out their spaces on Airbnb are selling off properties or turning them into long-term rentals, looking for more financial stability. And here's the kicker. Travel hasn't bounced back as expected post-pandemic. Economic uncertainties and a shift in consumer behavior towards more sustainable travel options have left Airbnb hosts with empty rooms and silent doorbells. So if you're an investor, it's time to rethink your strategy. Airbnb's struggle could be a crystal ball into the future of property investments. Stay tuned, stay informed, and most importantly, stay agile in these turbulent times.